Heuchera Midnight Rose, FAQs by Ferb. For gardeners drawn to dramatic foliage, Heuchera Midnight Rose is a captivating choice. This Coral Bells cultivar boasts a stunning color combination that thrives in both sun and shade. In this FAQ, I'll answer common questions about this unique perennial, making it easy to decide if it's the perfect addition to your garden. What makes Heuchera Midnight Rose special? Midnight Rose is a standout due to its mesmerizing foliage. The deeply lobed leaves boast a near-black base color, overlaid with a scattering of vibrant hot pink spots. These spots soften and mature to a creamy white as the season progresses, creating a dynamic color display. How does Midnight Rose compare to other Heuchera varieties? Many Heuchera varieties offer stunning foliage, but Midnight Rose stands out for its unique color combination. Here's a quick comparison. Heuchera Obsidian. This is the parent plant of Midnight Rose. Obsidian boasts near-black foliage, lacking the striking pink speckles that give Midnight Rose its vibrancy. Heuchera Plum Royale. This cultivar features deep burgundy foliage, but lacks the contrasting elements of Midnight Rose. Heuchera Lime Ricky. This variety offers a vibrant lime green color, perfect for gardens seeking a brighter pop. Where should I plant Midnight Rose? Midnight Rose is a versatile perennial that thrives in both full sun and partial shade. Here are some tips for optimal placement. Full sun. In cooler northern climates, full sun exposure is ideal. However, ensure consistent moisture, as hot afternoon sun can scorch the leaves. Partial shade. In warmer southern regions, partial shade, particularly in the afternoon, is recommended to maintain vibrant foliage color. What kind of soil does Midnight Rose need? Midnight Rose prefers well-drained, organically rich soil with medium moisture. Here's how to create the ideal environment. Drainage. Avoid waterlogged soil, which can lead to root rot. Raised beds are a good option if your natural soil is heavy clay. Organic matter. Amend your soil with compost or aged manure to provide essential nutrients and improve drainage. Moisture. Water regularly, especially during hot periods, but allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings. How do I care for Midnight Rose? Minimal care is required to keep Midnight Rose thriving. Here are some key practices. Watering. Water deeply when the soil feels dry to the touch. Mulching. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of the plant to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Fertilizer. A light application of balanced fertilizer in spring can promote healthy growth. Deadheading. Remove spent flower stalks to encourage continued blooming and maintain a tidy appearance. Does Heuchera Midnight Rose spread? Yes, Midnight Rose is a clump-forming perennial that gradually spreads over time. This makes it a great choice for ground covers, borders, or container plantings. You can control its spread by dividing clumps every 3 to 4 years in spring. Is Heuchera Midnight Rose deer resistant? Thankfully, Heuchera Midnight Rose is generally unpalatable to deer. This makes it a welcome addition to gardens frequented by these browsing herbivores. Does Heuchera Midnight Rose attract pollinators? While not its most prominent feature, Midnight Rose does produce small white flowers in summer that can attract butterflies and other pollinators. The main draw for pollinators, however, will likely be the surrounding flowers in your garden. Is Heuchera Midnight Rose winter hardy? Midnight Rose is considered winter hardy in USDA zones 4 to 9. In colder climates, apply a layer of winter mulch to protect the crown of the plant from harsh temperatures. Where can I buy Heuchera Midnight Rose? Midnight Rose is a popular variety and can be found at many local nurseries and garden centers. It's also readily available online from reputable plant retailers. Conclusion. Heuchera Midnight Rose is a captivating perennial with dramatic foliage and easygoing care requirements. Its versatility in sun and shade makes it a valuable addition to various garden designs. With its minimal maintenance needs and deer resistance, Midnight Rose is sure to become a favorite in your own outdoor haven.